Welcome to Vevion Solutions. I am Adwaith Kambham. I am a cybersecurity trainer. When I was in my 10th class, I started getting interest about this cybersecurity, and it was when the seed of interest has been planted. And when I started knowing about cybersecurity, I was more intrigued and interested towards cyber terrorism and cyber crime. I wanted to know more about it. And later, when I was studying my engineering, or while doing my 11th and 12th, I was too interested in it. I started knowing more about cybersecurity, and fortunately, when I was in my college, I got this opportunity to attend one of the workshops conducted by a company in IIT Tirupati, and I had this privilege of going there where I met my mentor. It was such a wonderful 2 day experience that I had, that I started every day. I started messaging the person who was actually the trainer there, and somehow he got convinced that yes, this person can learn it, and he gave me the course. I started learning it. I spent almost like 15-16 hours every day during that particular time because I was too interested and too involved into the subject. It was very interesting subject as well, and after this, I made a choice of making cybersecurity as my career. I am an electronics and communication engineering graduate, but right from day one when I started cybersecurity, I have decided that I have to get into cybersecurity. And I always felt I was not a right person for electronics and communication. Of course, I regret that feeling now because even electronics and communication is a very huge part of cybersecurity, which if I had studied back in college, it would have been much better for me. But today, I'm still studying electronics and communication, the same syllabus which I studied in college for the exams. And I'm improving a lot because there are a lot of applications that I deal with. Something like electronics, you see microcontrollers, microprocessors, all these things coming into picture in cybersecurity. So it's been a wonderful journey for me. It's been a very challenging high road, and I don't have this experience of transition into cybersecurity like most people in their careers have who are currently working in cybersecurity, because right from day one when I started working only in cybersecurity. It's been almost like I am into the teaching business, and it's almost been like 6+ years for me in teaching. I am associated with cybersecurity for almost 8 years, and it's a very wonderful journey that I'm having. It's never been a single day that I've regretted coming into cybersecurity. Each day is a new learning, each day is a new experience, because world is moving very fast, that every day you see new technology coming in and you are always awestruck with what is happening. So I always feel if you have this interest of learning more about cybersecurity, new things, knowing about them, you will always feel a new day. No day is same just like yesterday. Okay, so every day is a new day, and it's going to be too interesting for people to join. When it comes to how you start making your career in cybersecurity, I would always say first start with the fundamentals, and before that there should be some prerequisites. So prerequisites generally are, the first thing is the right mindset, and then comes knowledge, practice, skills, and there should be a little factor of luck also. Of course, if you start studying mathematics and statistics, you will know luck is a factor which is just unknown. Once you try maximum samples, luck is out of the way. Okay, so the more you practice, the more you get involved with cybersecurity. There is no luck that is going to help you. You are your own luck. So it is going to be a very good journey.